Hello friends, my name is Nidhi Bhatnagar and I am back with my last video on polynomials of 10th standard. So in this video we will solve some questions related to a simple division and a division algorithm. So let's start. See, this is the 9th question. In this they ask divide the polynomial of this equation with this and also find the quotient and remainder. So first of all, it is very important to let you know what is this quotient, what is this remainder. See, when we solve the question, here we write dividend. Okay. Here the thing is divisor. Okay. There is quotient. And when we solve this, the end result which we get is the remainder. Okay. Right. So what is the formula for this? To find dividend. To find dividend, see, I am denoting this dividend with the capital D and this divisor with the small d. So dividend is actually equals to divisor multiply the quotient plus the remainder. If by any chance you forget this formula, so what will you do? You just do any simple division like 9 and 4. So how will you solve it? It is 4 2s are 8 and 1 is left with us. So we have to find this 9. So what will we do? We just multiply these two numbers and add this. That is 4 multiply 2 plus 1. So if you don't know what is 4, what is dividend, what is divisor, if you forget this, then also you can make the formula out of it. Okay. So this is the formula. Now let's start doing the question. So what is there in the question? See, the equation given to us and we have to just divide them. So by dividing we have to make it in this form only. So write the equation. It is 30x power 4 plus 11x cube minus 82x square minus 12x plus 48. Okay. And the divisor is given to us as 3x square plus 2x minus 4. See, first of all, this equation is already given to us in the form of power. See, highest power, then low, then lowest, in the same way. If by mistake or it is not by mistake, if in the question they have given square over come here, means the power is not in the form. So you just first manage to write the powers in the highest to lowest form. Okay. Now make a rough column. See, this is the divisor right over here, 3x square plus 2x minus 4. Now for the first thing, for the highest power we require 30 and we require x ki power 4. So for making the power 4, we have to multiply it with x square. That is the power, when we multiply the two powers, the power get added. So 2 plus 2 is 4. So it comes out to be x ki power 4. Sorry, x ki power 4. Now we have to make 3 to be 30. So we have to multiply it with 10. So it comes out to be 30x ki power 4, which is the same. Also one more thing, we have to make the sign also same. See, this also come out to be positive with the positive 10 ki power x square. So it comes out to be positive, which we want. So this is the right thing to multiply. Now multiply it with this also, 10, it is 20 x past x square. Sorry, x cube. It is 2 and this 1. So it comes out to be x cube. Now 10 multiply 4 is 40x square. See, minus plus minus. Okay. So the quotient here come out to be 10x square and the result come out to be 30x power 4. Okay. Plus 20x cube minus 40x square. Okay. Now we already know we have to change the sign of the last equation. That is, this positive comes to be negative, plus minus minus plus. Now this cancel out. This is positive, this is negative. So we have to subtract it and we get 9x cube. Now this is negative, this is positive. Again we have to subtract it and we get 2 and 4. See, minus sign is bigger. So we have to write minus over here. Okay, now rest of the equation write down, minus 12x plus 48. Okay, now again write the divisor over here. See, 3x square plus 2x minus 4. Now we have to make the thing x cube with 9. So for x cube we have to multiply it with one more x. 2 plus 1 is x cube. Okay, now to make it 9, it is 3. So 3x cube, 3 3s are 9, x cube, which is same. Okay. And positive, both are positive. See here, this 20 is in negative, so here should be negative sign. Okay, now to make it negative, here also should be negative, so it comes out to be minus 9x cube, because we have to cancel out the term. So the same minus 9x come, so it comes out to be minus plus minus, 3 to the 6x square, minus minus plus 12x. So write it down. It comes out to be minus 9x cube minus one mistake we have done. We have not put x square over here. See, x square, so minus 6x square and plus 12x. Now again change the sign, positive, positive, negative. This cancel out. Now this is in negative, this is in positive. What we have to do, we have to subtract. So what we get, it comes out to be 36. Now this negative term is greater, so minus 36 x square. See, again I'll got to forget it. Okay, now this is also in negative, this is also in negative, so we don't have to cancel it. It is both are in negative, so minus 42. Oh sorry, 2 to 4, 24. Okay, so sorry. Okay, minus 24x plus 48. Now this equation is left with us. Again write the divisor over here. Very carefully we have to do such type of questions actually. Okay, now we have to make it x square. It is already x square, so we have to multiply it with the only a constant term. Now to make 3 into 36, we have to multiply it with 12, because 12 3 is 36, so it comes out to be 36x square. Now again see, we have to make a minus sign, so negative must be there, so it comes out to be negative. Okay, now minus plus minus, 24x in negative, and minus minus plus 48. So this comes out to be with minus 12. See, minus 3x also I have not written. The second term comes out to be with minus 3x. Okay, now this comes out to be with minus 12. Now the equation we get is minus 3x, 36x square minus 24x and plus 48. Now every equation cancel out and we get the remainder as 0. So this is the simple method, simple division method, but these type of questions may come in maximum marks of 6, because they requires a lot of patience, lot of problem can be created by these questions. Okay, now move on to the division part, division algorithm. Next question, see what is given to us. Apply the division algorithm to find the quotient and remainder on dividing these two equations, fx by gx. See, these two equations are the same. This is the dividend and this is the divisor, the two same equations. So we can solve this question similar in this way, but we cannot, because they have are asking division algorithm. So how to do this division algorithm? See, such type of questions come in 4 marks, and many of my friends don't know how to do this. But if you want to score above 90 or 95, such type of questions, they are tricky questions, and they just hide away in your books and you don't know how to do it. So let's start. See, division algorithm, how can we do this? The equation, first of all, write fx given to us is x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6, and gx is actually your divisor, is x plus 2. And we know already that actually fx is equals to your gx multiply your qx, that is your quotient, plus your remainder, that is rx. We know this. Okay, now we only know the equation, and these two things we don't know anything. Now how can we find? We can find by the degree. See, the highest degree of fx is 3. Okay, now the highest degree of gx is, see, highest degree is 1. Now how one can find the degree of qx? Qx degree is actually degree of fx minus degree of gx, that is 3 minus 1, that comes out to be 2. So the degree of qx is 2. 2 means the equation which forms has the highest degree 2, means the equation come out to be ax square plus bx plus c. If the degree come out to be 1, then the equation can be bx plus c only, but the equation is but the degree is 2, so the equation come out to be this. Now move on to remainder part. See, remainder degree is always and always less than the degree of gx. It is always less than the degree of gx. Okay, remember, it is very important. So gx has a degree of 1. So remainder less than 1 is 0. So remainder degree is 0. It means the value of remainder is actually a constant term. So for constant I can write k. I can write k easily. Okay. Now see this equation we know, fx, gx we know, qx because of the degree we have find the equation, and similarly because of the equation we know the equation. Now put these all thing in this formula. See what is fx to us. It is x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6. This is fx. Now it is equals to gx is x plus 2. Now what is qx? Qx is this equation, which is ax square plus bx plus c plus the remainder. Remainder is constant term, means k. Now solve this. How will we solve? See, put this equation similar in way. Just solve this equation. See, it comes out to be ax cube plus x with bx. It comes out to be bx square plus cx. Okay. Now with 2, it comes out to be plus 2ax square. Okay. Plus 2bx plus 2c plus the constant term, which is k. Okay. See, now cube is only this ax cube. Now square is, two things are there, so put them together. It is bx square plus 2ax square. Okay. Now this x with together, cx plus 2bx. Now 2c plus k. Why I have done this? So that I can take easily the common. Ax cube is alone, x square take common, and left is b plus 2a. Similar way, take x common and c plus 2b in the bracket. Nothing can be common to 2c plus k. Okay. Now compare this equation with this equation. Okay. How can we compare? See, first way, x cube is equals to ax cube. This is cube term, this is square term, this is x term, and this is your constant term. Now x cube is equals to ax cube, LHS RHS, so cancel out, a come out to be 1. Simple. Okay. Now move on to next. Next it is minus 6x square is equals to x square b plus 2a. Okay. Now x square cancel out, minus 6 is equals to b plus 2a, we know it is 1, so put over here 1. So put this equation, whole equation here to make it easy. See, so b comes out to be minus 6 minus 2, so it comes out to be minus 8. See, I have done right or wrong? Okay, right. So b comes out to be minus 8. Okay. Now move on to the third part. It is 11x. So 11x is equals to c plus 2b x. See. Okay. Now x cancel out. So c plus 2b is equals to actually 11. Now b we know minus 8. Put c plus 2 minus 8 is equals to 11. Okay. Now c is equals to 11. It comes out here. So plus 16. C comes out to be 27. Okay. Now the last thing, we have to find the constant, that is your minus 6 and k. So it comes out to be minus 6 is equals to 2c plus k. See, this is the constant term left with us. So 2c plus k. Minus 6 is equals to, we know the value of c, it comes out to be 27. So put 27 plus k. Okay. Now put this side, k is equals to minus 6. This come here to be minus 54. So k comes out to be minus 60. So all the equations we get. Now we can easily find what is fx. Fx and gx is given to us in the question. See, in the question they ask to find the quotient and the remainder. Okay, so for the quotient C, what is the equation we have written? It is ax square bx plus c. So put the values. We have to find the quotient, that is qx. So qx is equals to a. Instead of a, write 1. So it comes out to be only x square plus bx. B is what? Minus 8. So it comes out to be minus 8x plus c. C is 27. So 27. So again write down, it's minus 8x plus 27. So this is the equation for the quotient. So for the remainder is simple, minus 60. Okay. So this is the way how we have to do. Though it is a long question, I want to do one more question with you, friends. See, in this question, this is also the same question we have to do by the same method. So let's do it. This is the second part. See what we have done. I'll make you revise again. The equation is x4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Okay, and gx, that is the divisor given to us, is x square plus 1 minus x. Now the equation is fx is equals to gx multiply quotient qx plus the remainder. Okay, now we have to put the degrees. We know the highest degree for the fx is 4. We know the highest degree for highest degree for gx is 2. And we know for qx what we have to do, we just have to subtract the 2. So what will we get? 4 minus 2 is 2. So the degree for qx is 2. So for 2, what is the equation? For highest degree 2, it means ax square plus bx plus c, same as in the previous question. Now for the remainder, I told you for the remainder degree is always less than gx. So the degree must be less than 2. Less than 2 means 1. So 1 means we have to put the equation with only this equation. So already we have used a, b and c. So put some other thing like px plus q. Highest degree 1. I told you the degree of rx must be less than gx. Less than 2 means 1 or 0. So for 1 the equation is this. If it is 0, it must cancel out by its own and we left with only q. Okay, so the equation is px plus q. Now put these equations in this. Fx is given to us. Okay, write it down. It is x4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Okay, now fx we have written, gx is x square plus 1 minus x. Okay, now qx is this, ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, plus r is px plus q. Okay, right. Now make the equation. It comes out to be ax cube, okay, plus bx cube. See, oh sorry, it is 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. I'm so sorry. This comes out to be in cube. Now this comes out to be cx square. Now with 1. 1 means plus ax square plus bx plus c. Now with minus x. Minus x, it comes out to be ax cube plus minus है तो minus bx square xx square and minus cx plus px plus q. C. Okay, now group them according to the power. Ax 4, no, where we have this again. Okay, bx cube only 2, so x cube and left with b minus a. Okay, now x square, this 1, 2 and 3 plus x square I have taken common. What is left? C plus a minus b. Okay, now x, bx, cx. So plus x, if I take common, what is left? B minus c. Okay, now c plus c plus px and plus q. See, this px is also I have to put here only. X we have taken common, so plus p here only. It's b minus c plus p. Okay, now compare x की power 4, ax4. So x power 4 is equals to ax power 4. So cancel out. A is equals to 1 thing. Now for the second equation, it is x cube b minus a. Now in this equation, no x cube is given to us. It means x cube is 0. So I can say b minus a is equals to 0. So a is 1. So I can say here it comes out to be plus a. Instead of a, I can write 1. So b is equals to 1. Okay. Now for the third equation, it is x square. X square is minus 3x square. So c plus a minus b is equals to minus 3. Okay. Now I know a is 1, b is 1. So c is equals to plus 1 minus 1 is equals to minus 3. They both cancel out. So c comes out to be minus 3. Now for x, it is 4x. So b minus c, that is b minus c is equals to 4. We know b is b minus c plus p is there. Plus p is equals to 4. So b we know 1. Okay. Minus 3. Okay. Plus p is equals to 4. So 1 plus 3 plus p is equals to 4. P is equals to 4. Here it comes out to be minus 4. 3 plus 1 is 4. Plus 4 minus 4. Cancel out. P is equals to 0. Now the last thing, that is that is c plus q. C plus q is left. Px I have already put here. Okay. So c plus q is left. So c plus q, that is the constant term. That is the constant term in the equation is 5. So it is equals to 5. Now I know c is minus 3 plus q is equals to 5. Okay. Now q is equals to 5. Minus 3 comes out to be plus 3. So q is equals to 8. So these are the terms we got to know. Now put them into the equation. What is the equation? They ask qx. That is the quotient they are asking. So quotient is actually the equation of this. So put ax square plus bx plus c. See. Now a is 1. So it comes out to be a only x square. B is also 1. See, b is also 1. So it is only x plus c is your minus 3. So minus 3. So equation is x square plus x minus 3. This is the equation for qx. Okay. Now remainder, that is rx. We know rx, the equation. Our equation is px plus q. Rx is equals to px plus q. So p is 0. 0 into x plus q. Q is 8. So rx is actually 8. So these are the two things they ask. Okay. Such type of questions will definitely going to come. And thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my video so I can share more videos with you. Thank you so much.